Macedonia.
The medal C, category 51 kilo freestyle. On the red, Mustafa Karbuga from Turkey. On the blue, Sarabit Estakol from Macedonia.
La Salteaua B, categoria 45 kg, lupte libere. Sfertul de finală. Marian Valentin Rusu, România, Nicolas Botriașvili, Georgia.
The medal B, category 45 kilo freestyle. On the red, Marian Valentin Rusu from Romania. On the blue, Nicolas Botriașvili from Georgia.
La Salteaua C, învinge Mustafa Karabuga, Turcia.
The medal C winner is Mustafa Karabulga from Turkey.